Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing this intro for the second time because basically Alana claimed that I waffled way too much with the first one.
He did.
But in this video, you're going to see that we're at Darkside Developments.
We are.
What are we there for?
We are, well, we're not there for anything.
Well, we're not.
Oh, I just hit myself in the face with my dangly bit. The Yeti is getting an exciting modification, being a lift kit fitted.
Yep.
And also we're having the Haldex serviced.
We are indeed, and it's a good video because Darkside Development were nice enough to get some video footage.
They very much were, which we are very grateful of.
So thank you very much to the Darkside Development team, to anyone that got us the footage. Feel free to put in the comments below, thank you very much Darkside Developments.
This video would not have been possible without them.
So without further ado,
let's get on with the actual video.
Roll the montage. We were lucky enough that Rob took some time out of his very busy day to give us a little tour around Darkside. Unfortunately, due to the storm that was passing through, it knocked all of their power out. So these next few clips you're about to see are very much on the dark side. As you can see from our surroundings, we're definitely not at Darkside Developments anymore. We are back home and it's the next day. And I want to just say a massive thank you to Darkside Developments because as you can see from the car, it's now higher off the ground. And also the Haldex service was 100% worth it, wasn't it?
Massively so. We are very, very, very glad that we did that, especially seeing as we obviously, as we've said before, were told that it had been done.
Yep.
As testified by Darkside, yeah, the oil had been changed, but the mesh filtery doodah definitely hadn't been cleaned.
No, and that's a really important feature of the Haldex.
Yeah.
It's all right dumping oil, and a lot of garages when they do service Haldex, they will just dump the oil, stick new oil in, and they won't, like with the Gen 4 Haldex, it's got a filter and the mesh screen, whereas with the Gen 5 it just has the mesh screen. They don't go to the effort of either, they might change the filter, but they won't go to the effort of cleaning the screen in front of the pump. And this is only 60,000 miles old, almost 70,000 miles old, and that's how bad our Haldex was, as you would have seen. So yeah, a big thanks to Darkside for doing a fantastic job on our car.
Very much so.
And I'm sure it definitely won't be the last time we'll be there.
It won't.
No. So
guaranteed.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
Do all the fun things down below, like, comment and subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, I'll say nothing more than I'll catch you in the next video.
We both will. Yeah. You sound like you're getting rid of me now. How rude.
Off you go.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Right, who's going to splat the camera?
Not my problem.
Okay, I'll splat the camera. Goodbye. Splat.